Here we have the TYLEX power bank XP06. I actually ordered a second unit because I liked it so much after testing the first one. This is the box. Those numbers that you see here, they're actually real. So let's unbox and see what's inside. Foam cover, USB-C cable, strap, and here the power bank. The strap goes through these holes here, this one and this one, so you can easily carry it. That's the front. It's working. Light check. Lights are also working. Lights off. So the front, you actually have 4 screws, and you can unscrew the front plate of this. I did that already with my first power bank. The side is nothing. The back has some numbers on it. Hard to read. The back also has these rubber feet here, 4 pieces. On one side it says 60. So that is the power bank. 2 of these foam pieces. The power bank itself, the strap, and the USB cable. It comes all in the box. I actually like this TYLEX power bank so much, I bought a second unit. Just started the discharge test with the new TYLEX power bank. The voltage is currently around 4.9 volts and I'm drawing about 15 watts. I installed a small fan to keep the load cool. It gets really hot, those resistors. Okay, we are at the 9-hour mark. We're at 4.89 volts and a total of 29,140 milliamp hours right now. So we are at 5%. The numbers look like this. 10 hours 40 minutes in, 34,570 milliamp hours. Still at 4.89 volts. Here are the final numbers. 10 hours 52 minutes, 35,146 milliamp hours. The voltage would be 4.98 volts that we got throughout this test. I have been using this TYLEX power bank now for a little bit over 5 months. And as you can see, one of the LEDs is already failing. Here the leftmost LED is getting quite dark. The other 2 are still working fine. This is the inside of the TYLEX power bank. As you can see, the battery bank is soldered directly here to the board. Here you have 6 lithium polymer cells in parallel. These are the boards of the TYLEX. The top board holds the 3 LEDs. The lower one holds the ICs and the electronics for the USB ports. The chip powering this board is the IP5356.